Hello everyone, my name is Miss Bankston. I get to hang out with you guys as nursing assistant this trimester, along with our new nursing assistant instructor, Wanda Nelson, who will be joining you all next week. I wanted to take a minute just to give you an overview of our Schoology page for trimester 3 and how things will be laid out, at least for the first few weeks of the course. So on this first main page, when you log into Schoology and go into hour 5 for you guys, you're going to see at the very top there's a Google Meet for virtual students. This is for any of you students who have opted to remain in distance learning, not come into the building at Osseo for the remainder of the year. What you can do, you pop in during our class time, you follow our Osseo Senior High schedule. You'll pop into this link. We'll basically have a computer, a camera up to video what we're doing in the classroom, and you can follow along from home. So this is where you will find that link. Here in the middle is just a little welcome picture. It has my name on there, Miss Wanda Nelson, who will be your nurse, who will be instructing you, along with my email. So you can reach either of us through my email, bankstone@district279.org, and then this Google Meet list here is the same thing that's linked up here at the top. For trimester 3, your nursing assistant pieces are going to be organized by week. So we are in week 1 of trimester 3. You'll see a week 1 folder here and the dates for the week. If you click into that folder, you'll see a couple of pieces here for you to help you navigate this week in nursing assistant. And this is probably very similar to what you've seen in many of your classes here at Osseo Senior High. So first you're going to see a checklist for the week. Now you guys this is hour 5, so you have hour 5 on Monday and Tuesday, and you have all of your classes on Friday. So that's what's listed here on your weekly work. Now some of you will have I've broken the content into in-class day and your at-home day. So some of you will have in-class on Monday and at-home on Tuesday, and some of you are at home at Monday and in-class on Tuesday. So it kind of lists here for each of those 2 days which assignments you should be getting done. For anything that's listed on the in-class day, you don't need to do anything with that until we're together. So when you're here at Osseo Senior High, this is the stuff that we will be leading you through while you're here. It's not homework by any stretch of the means. The at-home day, there's usually going to be one assignment for you to do, and that's designed for you to be able to do on your own. So any of the things that are listed here are going to be found just below the checklist. So you can see one of the assignments we're going to complete on our in-class day is going to be this assignment called All About Me. And then I'm also going to have you fill out a nursing assistant certification form. This All About Me is just kind of a fun way for us to get to know each other a little bit. Like I said, we'll be doing that at our in-class day together. Don't need to do it at home. This nursing assistant form is just a quick Google form that you guys will complete that just lets me know which of you are still interested in working towards state certification as a certified nursing assistant. We have some plans put in place to help you get there, even though this year has been so crazy. So we just need to know who's interested so we can make sure we connect and get you everything that you need. All right, those 2 things we're going to do in person on your in-class day here at Osseo. You don't have to do anything with them before your in-class day. Your at-home day, there's an assignment here called Behaviors for Success. This is basically looking over the idea of wellness and how wellness plays into your life. Wellness is really important in your career as a nurse, taking care of yourself, making sure that you have balance in your life and that you're able to do your best at work and at home and just have overall happiness. So we're going to look a little bit at what kind of behaviors kind of lead you for success in your wellness journey. This you should be able to just complete. It's a Google assignment and submit. So you'll do that on your at-home day. Friday this week, we're going to keep it a little light. So on Friday, I would like for you to just make sure that all 3 of these assignments are complete and turned in. So you get a little extra time just to circle back and make sure that you've completed your work for the week. At any point, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I have my email listed here for you. It's also on the main page, so you can find it all over the place. We're really excited for this trimester and watching you all working towards your goals and practicing your nursing skills now that we're back in the building. So yes, we're just very excited and look forward to everything ahead.